In this video, I'll show you how to export the 2D drawings and 3D views. Let's get started! DigiPara Liftdesigner supports, for example, the 2D drawing output formats PDF and DWG. Let's start with the export as PDF. The first step is to go to the Export tab and open the PDF dialog via clicking at the PDF icon. Here you can select which sheets you want to print as a PDF. When you select more than one sheet, the program creates automatically a multi-page PDF. At the bottom, you have some additional options, like to put the PDF directly in a mail, to save as a PDF, and if you want to have a multi-page PDF or a single-page PDF. To create quick the PDF document, click on Print. Now let's export the drawings as DWG. Therefore, open the Export Drawing dialog by clicking at the DWG icon. Select the output format, the sheets and the saving path and click on Create Drawing. Quick and easy, you have your 2D exported documents. Last but not least, I'll briefly show you how you can save the 3D view as an image file or to copy it to the clipboard. Select a 3D view, go to Visualize and select the item Save as Image. Give it a name and click Save. Image files can be loaded directly into the DigiPara Liftdesigner drawing via drag and drop. You can also copy it to the clipboard and paste it, for example, in a Word document. Congratulations! You've completed the first playlist and reached the next level. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching!